Things to do present. How to save money while shopping online. Now we live in the internet era where all major of our habits turn to go online, including how we buy things. When it comes to shopping online, there are many factors that can affect the price of your purchase. Online stores use all sorts of schemes to compete for our attention. Coupons, discounts, hot deals, cashback programs, limited offers, seasonal sales, loyalty plans, and more. So how do you make sure you're actually getting the best deal? Number 1. Make an online shopping list. You must have a clear idea of what you want to buy before you head online. By listing your potential purchases, you can clarify what you actually need and separate your needs from things that are simply nice to have. Number 2. Compare prices before you buy. Never buy anything online without comparing prices. You can quickly compare prices by running an online search with the product name and style number. You can also get instant price comparison by using a browser tool like PriceBlink, which will alert you with a pop-up if you find the item you're browsing at another site for less. Number 3. Get coupons online. Coupon codes are another great way to shop and save money when shopping online. You can search for coupons on trusted websites like Coupon Follow, The Crazy Coupon Lady, Coupon Cabin, Retail Minute, and many others. If you want more, just ask Google to get an idea. Number 4. Sign up for online reward programs. Some online stores offer reward programs that let you earn points on your purchases to gain discounts later on. Most loyalty programs are free to join, so it doesn't hurt to subscribe to these programs to stay informed on deals, upcoming flash sales, and new products. All you have to do is just sign up with your email address. Number 5. Maximize cash back on every purchase. You can use cashback websites like Checkout 51. Cashback sites offer anywhere from 5 to a whopping 10 cashback on purchases. The cool thing is that you can save more at places you would be buying things from anyway, like an Amazon, Walmart, and others. Just go onto their website, make an account, and start shopping. Number 6. Leave items in your shopping cart. This old classic trick works well for items you don't need to have urgently. Online stores usually have systems for encouraging you to finish your purchase. If you are lucky, they might offer you a discount code for the item in your cart so they can close the sale. Number 7. Plan your shopping list for sale events. Instead of purchasing something as soon as you have the idea to buy it, better you create wish lists and wait for sale events come. Be patient and you will get more deals in the events, such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or long weekend promos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can making them. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.